Hello everyone and welcome back. I just got back from my kid's house. My daughter made this amazing avocado toast. I'm going to use her recipe and I'm going to upgrade it a little bit. So I don't have anything ready right now. You'll be here from A to Z. Let's get started. I have this avocado here that I've been waiting a few days for it to ripen. Hopefully I didn't wait too long. It feels soft. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Perfect. Put it in the plate. Score the inside. We're just going to make it faster and easier to mash. Oh. Use a spoon. I'll add to this a little lime. It's good. A pinch of salt. Some black pepper. Mash it up. Perfectly ripen. Ripen, is that the word? Ripen. Alright, the avocado is ready. I'll wrap it with a plastic wrap until the rest of the ingredients are ready. I'll put it on the side. Now the next thing I'm going to use is the garbanzo beans, chickpeas. I'm going to toast them, spice them up, and put them on top of the avocado spread. I rinsed out the chickpeas. To that I'm going to add a little red pepper flakes, hot paprika, black pepper, and turmeric. Salt and olive oil. Mix that really well. You can toast it in the oven or in a pan. I'm going to use my pan today. I have my frying pan on a medium-low. I'll put the chickpeas right in. Make sure to keep moving them. You don't want to burn them. You want to get rid of the moisture that's in them. While the chickpeas are toasting, I'm going to start preparing my toast. I have spralonga bread, and this is enough. Slice it in the middle. And I'm going to toast it. The bread is nicely toasted. I think I'm going to use only half of it right now. I'll put this one on the side. Take the avocado spread. It's good. Spread it all over. A little more. Take the chickpeas. They're nice and crispy right now. Put it right on top. A little bit of tomatoes. A little bit of cilantro. A few drops of balsamic glaze. Some chopped red onion. And that's all she wrote. And there you have it, an upgraded avocado toast. I first have to thank my daughter for this idea. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. Till next time, I'm Raz for Calling All Cooks. Bye now.